How to delete Windows service from command line and registry. Need to remove a stubborn Windows service? In this video, we'll show you how to delete Windows services using command line and the registry editor. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to delete Windows service from command line and registry. There are two ways to delete Windows services: via the command line or via registry editor. How to delete Windows service from command line. The easier way to delete Windows service is through the command line. First, right-click on the Start menu, click Run, and then enter services.msc to open the Services Manager console. Find the service you want to delete from the list and right-click on it. Make sure the service is stopped before deletion. Right-click on the Start menu again, then click on Terminal, Admin. If you're on Windows 10, click on Command Prompt, Admin instead. Enter the command scdelete service name. Replace service name with the exact name of the service you want to delete. This should delete the service from the configured Windows services. You can now delete any files associated with the service. Press the refresh button in the Services Manager to check if the service has been removed. How to delete Windows service via registry editor. Deleting a Windows service using the registry editor should be a last resort. Always back up your registry to avoid any problems. To delete Windows services via registry editor, follow these steps. Right-click on the Start menu, click Run, and then enter regedit. Select Export from the File menu to back up the registry. Go to the Services key at the path. Scroll through the list of registry keys in the navigation tree in the left pane to find the service you want to delete. Then click on the folder icon next to the entry to display additional information. In the left pane, right-click on the folder for the service you want to remove, then click Delete. Restart your computer to reload the registry. You can check if the service was successfully deleted via the Services Management console. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to delete Windows service from command line and registry, linked in the description below.